Excellency, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, happy that they took you to court. And I'm happy that the court said what they said. And we don't want you to spoil that good name. And please, if I see you in private, I will still say this. Please keep off for now. Let them just play it. Be the senior citizen that you should be. And please, we thank God for your life. Not only for Nigeria, for the West African region, ECOWAS, and for Africa. You are a symbol that should stand. Let nobody touch you. You are a hope for our generation. That it is possible for us to be civil. It is possible for us to lead with integrity. It is possible for us to pass on a worthy legacy to those coming after us. God bless you.